Hello kids! Welcome to our virtual English class. I am Teacher Emy, your English teacher today. Are you ready for today's lesson? That's great! Before we start, let us set some virtual class rules. Number 1. Focus on the video. Number 2. Listen attentively. Number 3. Participate actively. Kindly prepare the things needed in our lesson. Your English Quarter 3 Module 2, your pencil, your paper or notebook. We are now taking up English 2, Quarter 3, Module 2, Word Clines. Our learning competency for today is to create a word clines. And after going through this module, you are going to arrange words based on intensity and group words that share the same meaning. Let's start! To begin with your learning, let us have this activity first. What I know. For activity 1, you are going to choose the word that does not belong to the group. Write the letter of your choice in your paper. Number 1. Letter A, big. Letter B, enormous. Letter C, small. Letter D, large. Number 2. Letter A, rise. Letter B, fall. Letter C, collapse. And letter D, drop. Number 3. Letter A, smart. Letter B, intelligent. Letter C, difficult. Letter D, gifted. Number 4. Letter A, far. Letter B, hour. Letter C, second. And letter D, day. Number 5. Letter A, chilly. Letter B, cold. Letter C, freezing. Letter D, warm. Let us check your answers. Number 1, letter C. Number 2, letter C. Number 3, letter C. Number 4, letter A. And number 5, letter D. Did you get the perfect score? Very good! Let us proceed to activity 2. Direction. Place the words in order. Write 1 for the word that has the least intensity, degree, or quality. 2 for mid-intensity, degree, or quality. And 3 for the word that has the greatest intensity, degree, or quality. Number 1. Big, gigantic, huge. Number 2. Gorgeous, pretty, beautiful. Number 3. Gifted, intelligent, smart. Number 4. Excellent, good, awesome. Number 5. Run, crawl, walk. Let us check your answers. For number 1, 1, 3, 2. Number 2, 3, 1, 2. Number 3, 3, 2, 1. Number 4, 2, 1, 3. And number 5, 3, 1, 2. Did you get the perfect score? Good job, kids! We will now discuss Lesson 1, Word Clines. Word cline. Word cline is a set of words arranged in terms of the intensity of the word that represents a certain idea. Word clines help make differentiating words easier and in building good vocabulary. This time, let's have a simple recall about your previous lesson in What's In. Match the sentences in column A to their possible outcome from the sentences in column B. Column A. Number 1. Mika did not study for the test. Number 2. The ants gather food for the rainy season. Number 3. The people throw garbage to the river. Number 4. Andoy brushes his teeth. Number 5. Lina is a respectful child. In column B, letter A, her parents are proud of her. Letter B, she got a low score. Letter C, his teeth are white and healthy. Letter D, they have enough food to eat. And letter E, the river floods on rainy days. Let us check your answers. Number 1, letter B. Number 2, letter D. Number 3, letter E. Number 4, letter C. And number 5, letter A. Did you get the perfect score at this time? Wow, awesome! Great job, kids! Let's move on to what's new. Look at the shirts and see how they are organized. How many shirts do you see? Yes, there are 3 shirts. Do you have shirts too? Yes, you do have shirts. In what color are they? They are in different colors. Are they small or are they big? For those who are thin, of course, their shirts are small. However, if you are fat or chubby, you will wear big shirt. The shirts are arranged from the smallest to the largest. Let us describe the shirts so we can create a set of words. We can describe shirt 1 as small. Shirt 3 is large. How about shirt 2? Is it of the same size as of shirt 1? Or is it as big as shirt 3? The size of shirt 2 is in between small and large. So, we can describe shirt 2 as medium. We write the words in the line below. The word small is at the bottom of the word line because it has the least quality. The word large is at the top because it has the greatest quality. Meanwhile, the word medium is placed in the middle because its intensity is in between small and large. Let's have more activities in What's More. In Activity 1, you are going to draw an object that represents the descriptive word inside in each box. In number 1, cold, warm, hot. Number 2, huge, short, tall. Number 3, cute, pretty, beautiful. Are you done? Please submit your answers via email or in my messenger after our class today. For Activity 2, choose the word from the box that will best complete each set of words. The choices inside the box are week, kilometer, shout, sad, ecstatic. Here are the set of words to be completely filled in. Number 1, happy, elated, blank. Number 2, day, blank, month. Number 3, whisper, talk, blank. Number 4, blank, unhappy, depressed. Number 5, centimeter, meter, blank. Let us check your answers. Number 1, ecstatic. Number 2, weak. Number 3, shout. Number 4, sad. Number 5, kilometer. Did you get the perfect score? Very good! Let us proceed to your next activity, What I Can Do. Direction. Put an X in the box of the word that does not belong to the group. Number 1, bad. Mean, friendly, terrible. Number 2, cold, freezing, chilly, warm. Number 3, tiny, big, enormous, large. Let us check your answers. In number 1, friendly. Number 2, warm. Number 3, tiny. I guess everyone got 3 points. Great job, kids! By this time, let's assess your learning for today's lesson. For your Activity 1, find the words in the box that match the first given word. Write them on the lines. Words inside the box are funny, are, delectable, warm, race, hot, delicious, run, minute, hilarious. The first word is mild. Second word, second. Third word is walk. The fourth word is tasty. Fifth word, amusing. For Activity 2, pick the word from the circle that best complete each set. Then, color the flower. Number 1, huge, big. Number 2, small, tiny. Number 3, freezing, cold. Number 4, angry, furious. Number 5, excellent, good. And the choices are chilly, awesome, little, mud. Finally, your last activity for today's lesson in additional activities. Activity 1. Read the words listed in the box and find them in puzzle. Use a separate sheet of paper for your answers. Here are the words you need to look for in the puzzle. Number 1, hard, difficult. Number 2, good, excellent. Number 3, smart, gifted. Number 4, afraid, terrified. Number 5, wet, drenched. For activity 2, pick the strongest word of the pair and write it in the blank to complete the sentence. Number 1. Sheldon is blank. He knows almost everything. The pair words are smart, gifted. Number 2. The workers need to blank the building because of the earthquake. The choices are break, destroy. Number 3. The water in the kettle is blank. The choices are boiling, hot. Number 4. The show is blank. And the pair of words are hilarious, funny. Number 5. The old tree is blank. And the choices are huge, tall. Do not forget to submit your answers via email address or in my FB Messenger. Congrats, kids! You really did a great job today. Always keep in mind that word cline is a set of words arranged in terms of the intensity of the word that represents a certain idea. Word clines help make differentiating words easier and in building good vocabulary. And that's all for today's lesson. See you again on our next virtual class. Once again, I am your teacher, Emy, your English 2 teacher. Have a good day, everyone. Goodbye.